Hello, welcome back to Professional Certifications channel. Today, we're going to explore NLP technique, anchoring. Let's get started.
Anchoring, harnessing stimulus response for desired states. The concept of anchoring is deeply rooted in the science of classical conditioning, wherein a stimulus, once associated with a certain response, can trigger that response even without the original conditions present. In NLP, anchoring is harnessed as a practical tool to intentionally create and recall specific emotional or psychological states.
Why use anchoring?
1. Quick access to desired states. Anchors provide a rapid way to invoke feelings of confidence, calmness, focus, or any other desired state, which can be particularly useful in situations where you need to perform optimally. 2. Consistency in performance. By having a reliable way to access certain states, you can ensure more consistent performance, whether in studies, at work, or in sports. 3. Overcome negative states. If you're feeling anxious or distracted, using a positive anchor can help shift your mood and mindset.
Steps to create an anchor.
1. Identify the desired state. Clearly define the state you want to anchor, whether it's calmness, joy, confidence, etc. 2. Experience the state fully. Engage in an activity or recall a memory that naturally evokes the state. It's essential to immerse yourself in the emotion as deeply as possible. 3. Select a unique stimulus, anchor. This could be a touch, like squeezing your thumb and forefinger together, a sound, a specific song or tone, or even a visual cue. It's important that this stimulus isn't commonly encountered in your daily routine, or it might lose its potency. 4. Associate the stimulus with the state. At the peak of your emotional experience, introduce the stimulus. For instance, if you've chosen a touch as your anchor, apply that touch at the emotional peak. Repeat this process several times to solidify the association. 5. Test your anchor. After a while, in a neutral state, activate your anchor, e.g., apply the touch, and notice if the desired state emerges. If it's not strong enough, you might need to repeat the association process.
Practical applications.
Public speaking. If you get nervous speaking in public, you can set an anchor when you're feeling confident and calm. Activate this anchor just before you start your speech to tap into those feelings. Studying. If there's a particular state of focus or curiosity you find productive, anchor it. Activate this anchor every time you begin a study session. Sports. Athletes can anchor states of high performance or sheer determination and activate these anchors during competitions.
Maintaining and refreshing anchors.
1. Reinforce periodically. Over time, the strength of an anchor can diminish. Reinforce it periodically by repeating the association process. 2. Use distinct stimuli. If one anchor loses its effectiveness, you can always create a new one using a different stimulus. 3. Avoid dilution. If you use the same anchor too frequently without the desired state being present, it can dilute its effectiveness. It's like crying wolf, the response becomes less potent if overused.
In conclusion, anchoring is a powerful NLP technique that can help individuals quickly tap into specific emotional or psychological states. By consciously creating these associations, we can have better control over our internal states, aiding in improved performance and well-being.
If you found value in this content, do give a thumb up and drop your experiences or questions in the comments below.